What's up, guys? veiw, everything here. Welcome back to the channel. This is the official experience through phone. What it's like to go downhill with a scooter, super fast. I'm gonna be recording for you guys. So yeah, hope you enjoy it. First, you gotta go up. First, you gotta go uphill. I'm doing this with an alley. I can't really see myself recording like that, so sorry if the quality's bad. Here we go up and. This is very dangerous. Do not try this at home without an adult. But this is very dangerous. You know why, guys? Because if I fall and scrape my knees or something, that's going to be bad. And plus, I'm in the alley. So, yeah, the floor is really hard. So, we're at the very top. This is where we're going to go down. So, yeah. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, oh, my gosh. I was screaming inside. I was like,